Navy parachute team, the Leapfrog. All of our jumpers are Navy Sea, Air, and Land Commandos, better known to you as Navy SEALs. They are trained in weapons, combat diving, special operations, and of course, parachuting. We want to extend a special thanks to the 139th Airlift Wing of the Missouri Air National Guard, stationed at Rosecrans Air National Guard Base, for getting our jumpers airborne today in their C-130 Hercules. The Navy parachute team began in 1969. Navy SEALs and underwater demolition team members volunteered to perform at weekend air shows. The team was officially commissioned Leapfrogs in 1974 by the Chief of Naval Operations and designated the mission of demonstrating Navy excellence throughout the United States. Each team member has conducted real-world operations before volunteering to join this elite unit known as the Leapfrogs. Following a 3-year commitment with the Navy parachute team, they'll each return to an operational unit. Navy SEALs learn to exit various aircraft with a rucksack containing their mission essential equipment, as well as an assault rifle or a sniper rifle, and oxygen system for high altitude jumps. When jumping from 30,000 feet, the SEALs can, if required, travel more than 75 miles under canopy to reach their target. They train extensively in tactical jumping, providing the capability to penetrate enemy lines virtually undetected. Although you will watch this operation in daylight, SEALs practice for and conduct these daring missions under cover of darkness, over land or sea, to defend our way of life. Navy SEAL candidates begin a 6-month SEAL training pipeline called Basic Underwater Demolition School, or BUDS, in Coronado, California. They go through extensive training that is both physically and mentally demanding. They learn the skills they need to become the world's deadliest warriors, including physical conditioning, small boat handling.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please stand where you are, remove your caps within the sound of my voice, stop what you're doing as we sing our national anthem.
From stripes and bright stars, the perilous flight, o'er the ramparts we watched, who so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red there, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof to the night that our flag was still. Does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ladies and gentlemen, our national anthem, let's give a big round of applause as the jumper comes in. Hi, I guess you guys are going to be back to do another jump for us a little later on today. Thank you, Pai Young-E, very much. See you in a little bit.